How to add or remove credit or debit card from your Shein app account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Shein application from your device and get logged into your Shein account. Now, in order to add or remove our card, tap onto Me section from your bottom right. Then you will see your name as well. Tap onto this gear icon just beside your name. Here you will see My Payment Options. Tap onto it. Now here, if you have not added your debit or credit card, tap on Add a Debit or Credit Card. Here, enter your card number, your card's expiration date, your CVV, then tap on Confirm. So if you would like to remove your card, then you will see all your card listed below if you have added any. Just tap onto your card, then tap on Remove. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.